tomato.
Jeez.
Hey buds! Today we are making wild turkey burgers. And we're gonna show you how easy this is to do while you're camping. Or at home, wherever you want to make these. Let's do it! So Cole shot this turkey.
In the spring.
Yeah, in the springtime, but then how did you get it to the point that it is now?
Well, you cut the meat off the bones and the breast, and then you threw it through a grinder.
And then we froze it.
Now we have turkey burgers.
Now we have turkey burgers, and we're gonna make them tonight, and we're gonna show you how we did it. And we're not only making turkey burgers, we're going to grill them on the charcoal grill, and we're also gonna make some hamburgers alongside of them. So it's gonna be delicious. It's not very often that we grill with charcoal. My parents are camping with us, and they have a charcoal grill, so we kind of get spoiled. Not that it's not like we couldn't get one. Hint, hint. Anyway, here we go. So first thing is we have an onion. Ouch. We've got some garlic. Of course, we have the turkey. We're gonna do something rogue with seasonings and go both Creole and Yaya B, because that's what we have with us. And then to the mixture, we're also gonna add some Worcestershire. How do you pronounce that one? Worcestershire. And we're using our favorite barbecue sauce, Farm Boy, in the mixture, along with an egg and some panko.
Maybe a little smaller, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do one half or a whole. I think a half looks pretty good.
It does look like quite a bit.
Let's do the half. Into the mix.
Since the onions and garlic are going in the meat mixture, you want to finely chop. I don't know if it's as small as a mince with a knife, you think? Mince?
Mince
Garlic?
would be the same.
Finely mince your garlic.
Where's the tomato? Well, I guess right on here. No, we'll get it. Fine. Crack the egg. Sprinkle some panko.
So when you mix up your egg, kind of mix it around. Sometimes you might have a bowl for this. We're winging it this trip.
We'll try that right there.
Kind of want it to be like a meatloaf consistency, I think is what we're getting
Put a little
to.
barbecue in there. I'd say about a tablespoon and a half. Oh. Yeah. Little Creole. Creole. Ooh. That's good. And I'm thinking a little bit more
Breadcrumbs.
breadcrumbs. A little wet. Give me about a quarter cup. A little bit more.
Good thing we still had these in from the last time we made poppers.
Give it a mix.
It's gonna be just what it needed.
Put them together. Bowl will work even better.
Yeah. Could have brought a bowl over, but
That'll work. It's getting there.
Think it's still too wet? Or do you think they'll hold together?
Give it a try. Should work. Big.
Big bun, big burger.
Big bun?
I don't know.
Big.
I was just saying it. I don't know.
Are you having burgers? You want me to patty your burgers? Burgers? For patty? It should work.
Nice patties.
And then I'm gonna sprinkle a little Worcestershire out there. Give it a shake. There you go. Ready for the grill.
Gorgeous.
Never tried this before.
While the turkey burger
Excited to have
patties
one?
marinate in their seasonings, onion and garlic, my dad got the Weber Smokey Joe going. There's just something so wonderfully tasty about charcoal grill style cooking.
Bear grills.
You hear this? You hear it when it's sizzling?
It's well seasoned. Gonna be extra good.
A little bit better, right?
Oh, not yet. Usually they use my truck to take it back home. Look, we're dragging it around. Shooting my gun. I finally got some slugs this year, about 10 boxes.
Wow,
At Sheila's.
look at those ground beef burgers. Yum.
Yeah, feel it too soft.
And with your turkey burgers, you want to be a little gentle with them so that they don't fall apart. Look at that, they're all gonna fit. Gets a little extra, that guy. That guy gets a little extra bite. A few moments later, bless you. A few moments later,
Oh, yes.
oh, look at that. Oh, those are just about ready for samples. Perfect. While the burgers continue to cook, let's take a quick hike down to the lake. We're camping in General C.C. Andrews State Forest during the fall season, which might be obvious when you glance across the lake. Check out this park's campsite video in the description to help choose a campsite or two that will work best for you before you arrive. At the time of filming this video, campsites are first come first serve, but if Banning State Park, which is nearby, happens to be full, this is a great option in the same region, and you can adventure here, there, and everywhere around from this home base. We'll share our adventures here in a future video and add the video link in the description once it's uploaded. I love when campsites have their own little trails to the water's edge. It's fall, y'all.
All y'all.
Time to check the temps. Can you read a thermometer upside down?
Yep.
Oh, we gotta go a little longer. 165, isn't that what we need? Oh, look at your burgers. Apparently, beef cooks quicker than turkey. Current USDA recommendation for cooking wild turkey is to cook it to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. 57. Needs a few more minutes.
We need 165.
I'm going to move them around.
Oh.
Should we flip them again? So it's chilling?
That side's not as pretty as the other side.
Well, we're turning the heat down maybe a little too much.
I missed it.
This is gross.
I missed putting the lid on. What is it? Butter? Is there butter on the buns? Oh, they're so stuck together. Butter in your buns makes them cook perfectly on the grill. It's sample time for the ground beef burgers. Jeez, isn't she hot?
Temp them again.
Oh, I hope you guys can hear that sizzle. Tonight we're toasting our buns by buttering them first and placing them butter side down on the grill.
More heat.
143. Not done. Gotta open up the vents and let her buck. Oh yeah, look at the flames.
It's the butter dripping in it.
Too much.
A few moments later.
I would say that's it.
They look really good.
I think this one's done. So
Put the lid on.
Fire.
Wow.
This guy's never seen so much blood. She did. Is it ready? Flip it on its top side once.
Ooh, I burnt.
Well,
No, just the one.
I might try that one. It's pretty good. $74, almost $5.
70s?
70, 75, 63.
Ding, ding, ding. We're good to go with almost all of them. Time to add the cheese. We chunked up some cheddar cheese tonight. Hey, we're winging this year's anniversary adventure, so sliced or shredded wasn't even on the list to pack. However, if cheese can be added, it'll be added. It'll melt.
Here. Bottom's done. There's a little
The hot spot.
bit going. Oh, jeez, I touched it.
Bam. 165, 68, 72.
Done. Beautiful. Not quite. Getting there. Not yet.
Why don't you take that one off
We
then?
can take all the meat.
Plate.
The big burgers.
Yep. Bring on the toppings.
That's gonna be good. Well,
Maybe not the ideal lettuce. Romaine.
it'll be okay. There you go. Burger's ready.
Bring the onion.
Yeah, I'd take a couple of sprigs. Take the onion. Alright, pick it up and don't put her down. Big ones.
Look at that thing. Wow.
Huh.
They're messy.
Mm.
So I added barbecue sauce to mine. Really good. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. Got home again.
Well, thanks for watching this video. We're gonna finish our supper. Make sure to subscribe for more recipe ideas, campsite photos, all sorts of fun. We take hikes, if you hadn't noticed that. But we're gonna go ahead and finish our supper. Make sure to smash that like button.
Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
One last thing, if you have a recipe that you think that we should try that we haven't shown yet on our Cole's laughing because all my lettuce is falling out. I don't know if that was on camera or not, but if you have a recipe that you think we should try, make sure to email it to us at justbeyondparks@gmail.com or drop it in the comments. Just put a link in the comments and we'll see if we show it on a future episode.